Hi, let me show you how you can write in multiple languages on iPhone. And firstly, we are gonna start by going in settings and here scrolling until we can reach general section. Great. After that, find section keyboard and tap keyboards on the top. Here you will see list of your added keywords which you can use while writing. So if you want to add new one, just tap that option and choose any language from the list. For example, we can add Czech. Now we can add it to English keyboard and like the multilingual keyboard, or we can save it as new keyboard and choose layout. Then by tapping down, it will appear in this list. If you want to, you can reorder it by tapping edit, holding the lines and dragging to different place, or leave like that. So now to write in multiple languages, you need to open any app in which you can trigger your keyboard first. For example, messages, trigger keyboard, and now to write in multiple languages, just press and hold globe icon and pick any language from the list. And now you can write in multiple languages. Also, you can click the globe icon once to be able to switch between languages and the name of the language you should see in this space. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.